Evolution is gradual changing of genetic material of popular organisms from one generation to the next. Fossil evidence are fossils that provide evidence about life on Earth from the past. This fossil evidence proves how the horse evolved over time. The early horse transformed due to evolutionary pressure. The horse had to adapt to the environment. It grew in size, becoming faster and bigger, allowing a predatory advantage. Biogeography is the geographic distribution of living organisms. Organisms that live in the same area have the same features that allow them to live and survive in a particular area. For example, bats, butterflies, and birds all have wings that have similar functions, but different structures, and have overall adapted to live in the same environment. DNA is a written evidence that evolution occurred because we can look to see which organisms are related. This reveals similar physical structures. DNA is a long strand of nucleotides which form the genes that make up chromosomes. Scientists then use this information to compare DNA to see if one species is related to another. An example is chimpanzees and humans. Their DNA is 98% the same, but the 2% remaining is the sections of the DNA that are unidentical. Anatomy has three parts to prove relationships between animals. Organisms that live in the same area have the same features to help them live in the environment, which is called analogous. Homologous is when animals have similar physical structures but don't have to look anything alike, such as camels are related to llamas. Vestigial is a physical feature in an animal that is not relevant anymore but used to be used years ago, but the animal has evolved not to use it, such as whales have a pelvic bone that is not used today but was used back when they used to walk on land. The four things of fossil evidence, biogeography, DNA and proteins, and anatomy provide evidence of evolution.